51 Bigfoot, you get a tail number? Negative, we're too far out. If we can get closer, we can get one. Fat 3 Bigfoot, continue inspect. We'll do a handoff with Omaha 62. Fat 4 Bigfoot, we have a possible tail number for contact on guard.
Copy, ready to copy.
November
150 or 152, tail number November Romeo. You have been intercepted by an armed air defense fighter. Work north immediately.
Also monitoring on camera. Omaha 51, TOI 1, touching down Livermore at this time. Bigfoot copy.
That's not Romeo. Continue down the runway. Turn left at Charlie. At Charlie, contact ground, 0.6.